Video walls are vital tools in control rooms, command centers, and network operation centers. They allow for team collaboration, allow operators to see the 30,000-foot view, but also zoom in to examine granular details. They're a way to keep all team members up to date and a way to ensure the team is making informed decisions. One of the challenges some organizations run into with control room video walls is cost and complexity. Too many solutions on the market today come up with a large price tag, and far too many are also a challenge to set up and operate. Userful makes it easy to deploy powerful, flexible control room video walls that don't break the budget. With a Userful video wall, team members can easily share relevant data and information from their desktops, pulled from the network, delivered in real time to a video wall or a zone within a video wall. Userful's advanced visualization tools help teams collaborate, make informed decisions, and keep management up to speed. Userful takes an off-the-shelf PC and turns it into a high-end video wall controller that drives video walls using the local area network. By using an off-the-shelf PC and the network, Userful keeps costs low and simplifies deployment and support. One PC can drive up to 100 screens in multi-zone, multi-source configurations. Userful's drag-and-drop browser-based management, with its multi-tiered permissions, makes it easy for anyone to manage a video wall and to change zone and content sources on the fly. Userful software offers the high-end features needed for control and command center video wall applications. First, let's talk about how it works, how everything connects together. Userful software is installed on a standard PC. That PC is connected over the network to the displays. Each display has a zero-client receiver, a small device with HDMI output to the displays, and an Ethernet port. These receiver devices have no processor, no memory, no hard drive. They're merely receiving and outputting pixels on the screen. All the processing work, all the heavy lifting, is done on the PC itself. The solution is managed through the browser, making it easy to control the system from any device. This is the Userful Control Center. On the right-hand side, you can see the displays, video walls, and individual standalone displays. In the middle, the content sources. And on the left here, the system settings and tools. It's an intuitive interface that's drag and drop, easy to use. Now we're going to dive into some of the great features that make Userful the ideal video wall for control rooms. Let's start with zones. Zones allow operators to break up a video wall into different sections, allowing different content sources to be displayed simultaneously on different portions of the video wall. Operators can group displays and assign independent sources of content to each group or zone. Now let's talk about presets and how those help you work with zones. You can save multiple zone layouts across your video wall, each with a particular source preset for that zone. Save those layouts here in the Userful Control Center, and then later, when an operator wants to change the content and even the zone layout of the video wall, he or she can do it with the touch of a button. The functionality is delivered through Userful's preset switcher, which allows you to take those preset content and zone configurations and change them on the fly with the touch of a button. You can change zones and content on any display or video wall connected to your host PC. If you've got two video walls running from one PC, you can change content and zone layouts on both from one touch of the button. Zones and presets give extraordinary flexibility on your video wall configuration options. For more granular control, Userful also supports a feature which allows you to divide a single screen so it can display multiple sources, or divide a video wall in more arbitrary ways. The smallest unit for a zone is a single display. This feature lets you divide within the bezels of a display to show more than one content source per display. Userful also supports picture-in-picture, which allows additional sources to be layered on top of what is already showing on the video wall. Between zones, multi-window, and picture-in-picture, Userful gives maximum flexibility for video wall layout. Now that we've talked about zones, multi-window, and picture-in-picture, it's worth looking at all the content sources that can be displayed using these features. Userful allows you to display content from just about any source, from real-time sources, including network streaming using RTP, RTSP, and similar protocols, live camera feeds, locally stored data, surveillance cameras from an NVR, HDMI or SDI capture to display local desktops, or desktops streamed over the network in real time. Userful also supports interactive environments, such as desktop applications or full-screen browsers. And the full-screen browser option allows you to display as many full-screen browsers as you need. There's just about no content, real-time, network-based, or desktop application that you can't display with Userful. Control rooms need the ability to have operators and team members interact with the screens on the video wall. With Userful's interactive viewer, any browser, from a desktop to a smartphone or tablet, can become the keyboard and mouse of one or more video walls or zones within a video wall. Operators log in and then can use their desktops or tablets to control the mouse and keyboard of a particular zone. By having multiple tabs open on their browser, they can quickly switch back and forth and control multiple zones or screens or video walls at once. There are two more features worth mentioning. The Userful RESTful API provides a programmatic platform for deeper integration with third-party applications and lets you tie your video wall into the Internet of Things. If you're looking to tie third-party applications or devices into your video wall, we can help. Userful's automatic failover feature ensures reliability and high availability of the video wall system, minimizing downtime, with the option of having a second, designated backup PC take over support of the video wall in the rare event of a hardware failure. If you're looking for a control room video wall, you no longer need to pay an arm and a leg. Userful has the features, flexibility, and ease of use you need at the best price point. If you want to know just how cost-effective Userful is, our pricing is available online. Just go to www.userful.com/pricing. To learn more about Userful's video wall solutions for control rooms, visit us at www.userful.com. Powered by Userful.